Man, watching the launch in the tally-ho got me stoked. Leo and his crew working on that ship for all those years. Saved me thousands of splinters watching those videos. Kudos to him and his crew. Hope they enjoy that ship. Anyway, it's got me wanting to do a little bit of custom wood crafting on the old dire wolf myself here. So I'm starting out by doing a new little rail thingamajig that's gonna hold the mast while I drive down the road. So using this thing, see if I can't get it to give me a I don't know. Yeah, hey. Yeah. You know, look at that. Perfect. Something like that. You get the idea. Anyway, stay tuned and see how this turns out. Alright, I got the piece fabbed up. Hey, we got pretty close. I'm just gonna write dire wolf on it and put some holes in for the lashings so I can hold it to the boat, to the mast, and then paint it up. Should be good to go. Here we go. my little eye hooks installed, and I glued some foam, little pieces of that, hold the mast, and then underneath. Two little eye hooks in here. Here she is in action. The old there she is. Here it is. Works like a charm. That's not going anywhere. Here it is with the bungee straps on it. They seem to hold pretty good. Still no move factor on it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below what the best way to go is with the rope or the bungee.